In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Asphalt 8 with your friends. All you have to do to match up against your friends in Asphalt 8 is to make sure you have the latest version available of the game. So before starting, open up the Play Store or the App Store and update Asphalt as necessary. Once you ensure that you have the latest version of the game, open it up, sign into your account, and then click Play. Now, from the options you have at the left menu, you have to select Quick Race, and the only option to play multiplayer is by creating or joining a local Wi-Fi room. If you click Create, just like I did, you will have to choose between the racing mode that you want, the map, and the class, and after you select these criteria, you will be able to choose your car. So go ahead, select all that you need, and you will be able to create your room by clicking this button. Once your room has been created, someone else will have to join you. You will be able to see all of the racers who joined your local Wi-Fi room over here at the bottom. And if you are trying to join a room, all you have to do is be on the same Wi-Fi as the person and then click Join Room. The room will then be displayed here. Sadly, I can't show you the process of actually joining a room because I only have one phone here with me, but as long as one of you create the room and the other one joins through the same local Wi-Fi network, you will be able to play Asphalt 8 together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Asphalt 8 with your friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.